Hi there, I'm Amanda with Material Girl Quilts. Today I'm here to show you how to make this cute Liberty Lights table runner. This table runner is perfect for beginners and it is actually perfect for your scraps. So if you pull out all of your red, white, and blue scraps or your low volume instead of white scraps, this is the perfect project to finish just in time for America's 250th celebration. Now, as a reminder, if you are a member of Material Girl Society, you have access to download a PDF pattern for this quilt, as well as every new project that's released each month. So let's get started. Now, as you can see, this table runner really is simple for construction. It's only made up of some squares and some half square triangles. So we need to make the half square triangles for the star points. To do those, you will get a 3-inch blue square and a 3-inch low volume or white square and place them right sides together, and then you're going to sew 1/4 inch on either side of one diagonal line. I have tape on my machine, but if you don't, just draw your diagonal line and sew 1/4 inch on either side of it. Now, once you've sewn on either side of that diagonal line, we're going to cut it apart directly on the diagonal. That will give you 2 half square triangles, and you're going to press these towards the darker fabrics or towards the blue or red, and then trim them to measure 2.5 inches square. You're going to need a total of 16 blue and low volume or white half square triangles and 16 red and low volume or white half square triangles. Now you're going to lay out all of your squares and half square triangles as shown in this layout diagram. You will then sew your squares and half square triangles into rows and then sew the rows together to complete your table runner. I found it easiest to do this in sections as shown here in this little time-lapse video, where I took between 4 and 6 rows at a time and chain pieced all of those together and then went to the next section of the table runner. And then once I had all of those sections completed, I sewed them all together. Now, a couple of things I'd like to point out about this table runner. This one finishes at 12 inches by 42 inches. And if you need this to be longer, you can easily do that by just repeating this pattern with the squares and the half square triangles, to make more stars throughout and create a longer table runner. The other fun thing about this table runner is for the back, I decided to do some tie-dye on some white on white print fabric from my stash. So I just did a crumple design of the tie-dye with some yardage of white on white print with some red and blue tie-dye, and I love how this turned out. I'm not sure what else I'm going to use this for, probably put it in another project, but I really like it on the back of this table runner. I think it's a cute finish. And one other thing I'd like to point out is my shirt here. So we have new shirts in the shop. This one, the Quilts shirt, is probably one of my favorites. I love it on the denim navy blue color. And we also have another shirt that's like a patriotic theme. So please check out the shop for any of our new apparel items as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you click the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials going forward. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.